Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Stripe dashboard using payout schedules, complete guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard homepage. Locate the Balance tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the Balance tab to view your current balance. Identify the Payouts section on the Balance page. This section will show your available and pending payouts. Take note of your payout schedule, which determines when funds are available. If you wish to withdraw, click on the Payouts option. Review the pending payouts listed on the screen. Select the specific payout you wish to withdraw from. Click on the Payout Funds button next to the selected payout. A confirmation pop-up may appear. Review the details shown in the confirmation pop-up. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm button. Wait for confirmation that your payout request has been processed. Check your email for a payout confirmation message from Stripe. Your funds will typically become available in your bank account based on your payout schedule. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section within the Stripe dashboard. Consider reaching out to Stripe support for any unresolved inquiries. Ensure that your bank account information is up to date to avoid processing delays. Review your payout history periodically for accuracy. Stay informed about Stripe's policies regarding payout timelines. Follow these steps thoroughly for a seamless withdrawal experience from your Stripe dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.